It's been a while since I've been this stoked for Snowcheck season. This new 26 is unreal.
Hey there, it's Kevin from YETI Snow MX. We're just here going over some of the features for Snowcheck 2026. First of all, we're super excited. We'd like to introduce you to the One. This is the One suspension to rule them all. We're excited about all the technology that we've built into this, using Fox float air shocks to leverage their ramping ratios and work with the suspension to give it all the attributes that we want it to have. Another thing we're super excited about for the 2026 Snowcheck is our new shortened tunnel. We went back to the drawing board. We were looking to improve the chassis that we had gotten back and how they've been built the last few years. So the first thing we did is we got rid of the aluminum out of them. Now it's 100% carbon chassis. In with that, we took areas of concern that we thought could be improved, and we got them over like 100% stronger now. The whole chassis itself is over 30% stronger, and we actually dropped a tiny bit of weight. Only having one shock takes 6 to 8 pounds out of any skid, so right there's that. It's also been rolled a little bit to give us more clearance for the track. That's also given us a little bit more travel in the suspension. So the other really important thing everyone needs to know about YETI and Snowcheck this year is our YETI Care program. It covers like everything other than wear parts for the first year, and that even this year includes 100% the whole cost of the chassis. No deductible or anything on that. Super happy to have the support that we've had from the customers in the past, and really looking forward to getting people back into the YETI family and learning about their journeys and have them join our journey and, you know, being legendary with us. It's really exciting. Glad to have you all with us, and hope you enjoy the Yetis this year.
Brock Hoyer out here with the YETI Snow MX.
Cody Matichuk here on the brand new shortened YETI Snow MX.
From the 2026 YETI Snow MX kits, and they are ridiculous.
Cool to be out here riding the backcountry and seeing what these things are capable of.
I find it's way more nimble, like wheelies, and does everything. Feels more like a dirt bike.
It's been a while since I've been this stoked for Snowcheck season. Man, this thing is a wheelie machine, but still planted and climbs stuff like I've never had before.
I'm running the 2.6-inch track on the all-new skid with the new shock, and it is working wonders out here. Throwing everything we can at it, drops, wheelie turns, downhill carves, and just trying to really get a feel of this new stage for snow biking. The new skid really allows a lot of reactivity. It allows you to load up the rear end. It's not so stuck in its structured way. The new Fox shock is fully adjustable. You got the evil chamber, you got your main air chamber, you have rebound adjustment and the QS3 compression adjustment, which really allows you to create the type of ride that you want. For me, I like a ride that is supported and gets continually stronger, so I like to max out my evil chamber and take a little bit more punishment on the trail, but when I need it, it has the support to give me. So it really just breathes in a lot of freedom and creativity on what you can do.
The first thing I noticed on this 26 suspension, so it's a single shock now, it is like insanely smoother, way more versatile, and you can whip it around so much quicker. The bumps where they're really whooped are now just smooth like butter. It is riding on a cloud.
It's just so exciting, all the new stuff we have on this kit, how well it rolls. The rolling resistance is at a minimum. You're getting the most horsepower of your bike to the ground. The 3 1/4 track, lighter skid, stronger.
The 2.6-inch track allows me to create track spin. It allows me to sometimes bump up to that second gear, even third gear, up climbs. If I'm through some slower, more technical stuff in first gear, I can kind of slide and maneuver and just float around a little bit more, where the 3 1/4 I feel very locked in, almost like locked in on a rail, which is very forgiving, very good for climbing. For me personally, I just like to override the bike a little bit, create track spin, create that slip, and ride a little bit more loose. So the 2.6 is the track for me.
So 2 tunnel options. So if you're 129 or 126, you're gonna get the short, and then the standard will be only 137s. With our new tunnel design, we guarantee they're strong. When you snow check a 2026 YETI Snow MX, we give you YETI Care. If you have an issue with your skid, your tunnel, components, belt pulleys, anything, we will send you a new one absolutely free. This is unreal. For being one of the top companies in the market, we stand behind it 100%, knowing that it is the strongest and most durable kit out there, that we will take care of our customers time in and time out. Another cool thing and why I made the transition to YETI, we have the original gurus that started YETI from scratch. This is our 10-year anniversary with YETI. Those guys are back in charge and they have ideas on top of ideas.
You know, we spent a lot of time developing this kit. I was riding it back in July last year, just trying to get it dialed, and every year we're just upping the game, and this is it, baby. We're here, we're 2026.
I can't wait for you guys to get your snow checks and see you out in the backcountry for 26, 27 winter. This thing's rowdy, and I can guarantee you, you won't be able to wipe that smirk off your face when you snow check one of these. Anyways, have a great season. Be safe out there.
So if you're looking to get the strongest, most up-to-date kit, now's the time.
Go get yourself some new age technology.
And let's be legendary together.